Now let's look at international payment settings. You should only have destination countries active for international payments that you need to make regularly. Fraudsters attempt to send money to other countries to make it harder to recover, and restricting the countries you can pay to can help protect against this. To manage your destination countries, click Administration, then Manage Payment Preferences. Scroll down to Payment Destination Settings and click Edit. Explore the alphabetical sections and tick just the countries you need. Click Review Changes, then Confirm and Approve Changes. You'll then need to approve this with your smart card. If you need to make an ad hoc payment to a new country, you can always add it, make the payment, and then remove the country after approval using the same steps. Staying vigilant and educated on fraud and scam trends is your first line of defense. We have resources to help you and your team on our Security Center. Here, you can sign up for free security webinars and find information and guidance from the National Cybersecurity Center. You can also start a chat with Cora in Bankline for security help at any time. Make sure your colleagues know what to look out for and work as a team to stay safe. Visit rbs.co.uk/business/security to find out more. Together, we'll beat the fraudsters.